Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Atlas Earth running much slower than normal, hanging when loading, or freezing when you try to watch an ad or open the map after a recent update? Here are the fixes. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down, slide to power it off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup from a major update that often causes slowdowns immediately after installation. After restarting, open the App Store and check whether another smaller Atlas Earth update has been released since the one you installed. Since performance patches often follow major releases within a few days, tap update if one is available. If it's still slow, go to your settings app, go to General, iPhone storage, and find Atlas Earth in the list of apps and check the storage it's using. If your total phone storage is nearly full, offload 2 or 3 unused apps to free up space since Atlas loads map data dynamically and needs free space to cache it properly. So all you gotta do is full iPhone restart, check App Store for follow-up patch, and free up storage if nearly full. Atlas Earth runs at full speed again, and that's it. Subscribe.